Tiffany Taylor and my Squishy Little Dumplings are here. My Squishy Little sent me there my Squishy Little Dumplings to unbox with you. Let's get started.
I know how to do it.
And each My Squishy comes with mystery accessories.
My mystery accessories are right here on top.
And we don't know what character we're gonna get yet. We'll see what pops out.
I almost got it.
Oh, mine has glasses. I've got a hat. Cute. Hazel got a sleeping mask. And I think this is a flower necklace or a crown. I got that one. And Hazel got that one. Doe. And mine is Dot.
She talked.
They got their accessories on. How did they look? Which one do you like more? Dot or Doe? You squeeze it and the body pops out. You shake it upside down. You could close the body and toss it. These are so cute. Remember to follow, like,